It's not only customizing the terminal. You need the feel while hacking, that deep, dark, cinematic look that makes every command feel powerful. In this video, I'm going to show you the best terminal customization setup that not only looks like a pro hacker's workspace, but actually makes your workflow faster, cleaner, and more immersive. Let's dive in. So first, open your terminal and type sudo apt update to update the repositories. Then it will prompt for the password. Once you gave the password, it will start updating. Once the update is over, let's install the necessary files. For that, type sudo apt install figlet to install figlet. Since my file is already installed, this is showing like this. In case your figlet command didn't work, type sudo apt upgrade and follow the steps. Once the figlet is installed, type figlet-c for centering the heading. Type your name and hit enter. There you go, your name will show up. But this is not enough. We need to make it more colorful and attractive. For that, we need to install another file called lolcat that gives font headings beautiful colors. For that, type sudo apt install lolcat. This might take a small time. It depends on your internet speed. Now let's again type figlet-c your name. To take the previous commands that you already typed, you can simply press the up arrow key on your keyboard, so all the commands that you used previously will show one by one when you keep pressing the up arrow, and a new command comes in its lolcat. For that, type pipe symbol and lolcat, and hit enter and see the magic. Now you can see the font headings have been colorful. Okay, now let's see whether the heading will be there if we close the terminal and come back to the terminal. So as you all can see, there is nothing on the terminal. So press the up arrow key and take the command back and keep it, so that it will be easy to copy and paste. Every time you close the terminal and open it, the color on the heading will change automatically. So now let's save this so it doesn't vanish after closing and opening the terminal again. So now type sudo apt, sudo mousepad, ~zshrc and hit enter. Now this dialog box will open. Now scroll down to the end and copy the code that we gave earlier and paste it into the dialog box and save. Let's close the terminal and open it again to see whether the heading is vanishing. You can see that our heading is there even after we close and open the terminal. So this font is a little bit boring. To change the font, we need to install some font type that will be more attractive. So for installing the fonts, we need to go to the GitHub repository. So these GitHub links and the command are in the description. You guys can use them. So let's clone the repository. So copy the code and paste in the terminal using git clone and the link. Once it is finished cloning, type ls to see whether the file is installed, and type cd and the name figlet-fonts and hit enter. Once you are inside the figlet-fonts again, type ls to see the file inside figlet-fonts. You need to do some modification to use the fonts. Once you see the font, now you need to remove one file. So to remove the file, type rm to remove README.md and hit enter. After that, type sudo mv*/usr/share/figlet so you can use this font to change the fonts. Now we have successfully moved the font. Now, to see what are the fonts that we can use, simply type show fig fonts, and now you can see all the font you need to use. As you all can see, these are the fonts. So, for example, I am going to use this font. To use this font, you need to copy the font name. Type figlet C for center, F for the font, and paste the copied font style and your name pipe symbol, and lolcat for colorfulness. So you can use any font, but to save the file, you need to open the zshrc file by typing sudo mousepad ~zshrc and hitting enter. Now go to the bottom and delete the previously added file and paste the new font style. I will give a small space between hacker, so that becomes equal. So now let's close the terminal and open it again, and let's see the change. So this sign not enough, so to be more attractive, we shall add a quote under our heading. See, it will be more beautiful. So to add that, we need to type figlet-f- digital-c your name. In this case, I am giving hack the world and the pipe symbol and lolcat. And again, opening zshrc in mousepad as before, and pasting the copied code and saving the file. and again, closing the terminal and opening the terminal again. You see the fonts are fine, and now our main change is over, so just see the video and configure the rest of your terminal as in the video.